Hi friends, this is both an announcement and a gentle reminder about our All India Mock Test 2 for GATE CSE that will be conducted on the coming Sunday, which is the 21st of November between 3 to 6 p.m. And this mock test, because it's an All India mock test, it is open to everyone. So you could be a course enrolled student, you could be a test series enrolled student or an outsider. Everybody can participate in it. It is free of cost. This is created for the benefit of everyone who is preparing for the GATE CS 2022 examination. We conducted All India Mock Test 1 on the 24th of October. The guidelines for this mock test 2 will be very similar to the guidelines and the do's and don'ts for the All India Mock Test 1, because all of these are All India mock tests. The guidelines are more or less the same. And we will also provide a link of the video where we have described the guidelines for all of our All India mock tests in the description section below. In the first mock test, first All India mock test, we had 2080 students who participated in it. But we also got a lot of emails and calls from students saying that they skipped the first mock test because they felt unprepared, or they only covered some 50% or 70% of the syllabus, or they could not revise. So our strongest recommendation is for all the students, please try and take this All India mock test 2. Please don't skip it. Even if you are partially prepared, that's okay. Because the purpose of this All India mock test 2 is to experience the real examination in a real examination type of setup with similar quality of questions that you typically encounter at GATE. And it is also for you to self-evaluate where you stand, what subjects or topics you are weak in, what types of mistakes you are committing, because it is not for a comparison with anyone else. It is for your own self-evaluation so that you can improve in the areas that you're lacking. For example, if you're committing silly mistakes, this is time for you to realize that and improve on it. It is also a very important place or important test through which you can design a specific strategy for yourself for a full-fledged 3-hour examination. We have seen a lot of students benefit from these mock tests because it helps them understand how to plan for the whole 3 hours of the examination itself. It will also help you refocus your whole preparation in approximately the next 3 months that you have. Again, this is all for your self-evaluation and improvement. It is not to compare yourself with anybody else. So even if you're partially prepared, just take the test, see how you're doing in the subjects that you've already prepared well. That itself is a good feedback for yourself. And there are a few key points we wanted to mention. Again, the key points are very similar to the previous test, but we thought we will just highlight them. You can take the test only at the scheduled time, and the scheduled time is 21st of November, which is the coming Sunday between 3 to 6 p.m. If you miss the test, you can only take the test after 45 days. So please make sure you take this test at the scheduled time so that it gives you a real world test experience. And to take the test, it's very simple. If you're already a course enrolled student or a test series enrolled student, you already have an account at gate.appliedroots.com. You don't have to worry. Just go to this website, which is gate.appliedroots.com/GATE-CS Test Series 2022. Right? Very simple website. We'll also provide a link to this web link itself in the description section. If you're an outsider or if you have never signed up, just go and register or just sign up for it. Right? Just create an account and you'll be able to take this, because this test, this All India Mock Test 2 is open to all. It's free for everyone to participate in. Now, one more very important thing that we wanted to inform you, which is we have a total of 8 mock tests. Of these 8 mock tests, 2 of them will be harder than a typical GATE paper that you may have seen in the last few years. And we are doing this specifically to prepare you better. These 2 tests will be harder than typical GATE papers because it will help you prepare better in an eventuality. If this year's question paper, suppose you're getting one set, or if you're even getting multiple sets, even if one of those sets is harder than a typical GATE paper, you're prepared for that. So going forward every year, including this year, 2 out of the 8 mock tests will be harder than a typical GATE paper. Again, we will not tell you which of the 2 of the total of 8 mock tests will be harder than GATE. We are not going to tell you that because it should be a surprise for you, because the GATE examiners are not telling you before you go into the examination hall whether this year's GATE paper is going to be harder than previous years or not, right? So it will be a complete surprise for everyone. And again, just please mind it. I'm not saying that the All India Mock Test 2 is going to be harder than previous GATE paper. But amongst all the 8 mock tests we have, 2 of them will be harder than a typical GATE paper, primarily to prepare you for an eventuality that if there is a harder paper, because once in a while you get a slightly harder paper than the previous years. And you should be prepared for that. That's the whole objective of this. Again, please note that I'm not saying that the All India Mock Test 2 is going to be harder. I'm not saying that. Please mind that. Okay, cool. So all the details about the mock test itself, you can find them on this web link, which is gate.appliedroots.com/GATE CS Test Series 2022. Again, if you have friends who are planning to take the GATE CS 2022, or if you are taking, please share this with them. It will benefit everyone who is planning to take the GATE CS exam. And this is primarily for your own self-evaluation and understanding where you stand with respect to the competition, and also most importantly, where you stand, what topics you need to improve. Even if you have partially prepared, let's assume you prepared only 50% of the subjects, but we strongly recommend you still take the test. At least know where you stand with respect to these 50% of the subjects. What types of topics you're still lacking, what types of mistakes you're committing. This is all for your self-evaluation and improvement. So all the very best. Hope to see some great participation in this test. So see you all on the coming Sunday, which is the 21st of November at 3 p.m.